So in this Realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have the map view here on the Realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Realtor.com once that is done. As you can actually tell, I actually do have the map view selected right here. So what this basically does is it shows you the entire map, so you can sort of go through the map right here and select the region that you're looking at. But for example, if you're on the list view, which will actually show the properties in order just individually in regards to the list view, go to the top right and press on the button that says list or the button that says map. That'll change it back and forth. So it actually has been crashing this app the last couple of times I've tried. So what I'll actually do here is I'll press on list in the top right. But if that doesn't work, I'll go back to the screen and show you what exactly that means when I go from one view to the other. So I'll go ahead and press on list right now. So the app actually did crash for me, but this is the current list view right here. Now, if you were to go to the top right again and press on map, it'll go, it'll bring you back to the map view, which I will do right now. And there you go. The map view is now showing rather than the list view. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to have the map view here on the Realtor.com mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.